Welcome to Simple, Slow English. Today, we will learn step by step. Just relax and follow my voice. Let's begin. Sentence 1. I open my laptop. I open my laptop at work. I open my laptop in the morning. I open my laptop at work in the morning. Sentence 2. I make some coffee. I make some coffee at home. I make some coffee in the morning. I make some coffee at home in the morning. Sentence 3. I leave the house. I leave the house early. I leave the house in the morning. I leave the house early in the morning. Sentence 4. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk at work. I sit at my desk after I arrive. I sit at my desk after I arrive at work. Sentence 5. I look at my phone. I look at my phone on the bus. I look at my phone in the morning. I look at my phone on the bus in the morning. Sentence 6. I eat lunch. I eat lunch at work. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I eat lunch at work in the afternoon. Sentence 7. I finish my work. I finish my work late. I finish my work in the afternoon. I finish my work late in the afternoon. Sentence 8. I go back home. I go back home after work. I go back home by bus. I go back home by bus after work. Sentence 9. I cook dinner. I cook dinner at home. I cook dinner in the evening. I cook dinner at home in the evening. Sentence 10. I watch something. I watch something online. I watch something at night. I watch something online at night. You built one sentence. You can listen again. I am here with you.